Sove and sovne. What's the difference? Sove means to sleep and sovne means to fall asleep. Now, how can you distinguish these two? It's not really easy. I guess it will come with a time though, because sove is something that you hear just way more often because we talk more about sleeping than about falling asleep. But if you want a small hint to remember it a bit more easily, all these verbs that end in an ne are talking about something getting in a specific state. So we would say, for example, mørkne, yeah, and that means to get dark, or lysne, the opposite, to get bright. Stivne, to become stiff, like a pudding or something that you're preparing. So all these ne words actually describe getting into a specific state, and therefore also sovne. It means I am getting into the sleep state, so therefore it has this ne ending. How do we conjugate them? Quite easy. Sovne, very regular. Jeg sovnet, jeg har sovnet. Sove is not so regular. Jeg sov is the preteritum, and then the perfectum is jeg har sovet.